Welcome to our tutorial about DimXpert Annotations. First, let me bring the DimXpert toolbar in. We right-click, select DimXpert. Now let's activate the DimXpert tab, and first let's right-click on the Annotations folder. Be sure that Automatically Place into Annotation Views is checked. Now activate the Datum tool. We'll select this face and this face. OK, let's click OK. We've added an alphabetical annotation to two faces. Now let's insert the geometric tolerance symbol. I'm going to select perpendicularity. Enter the tolerance value. And enter the name of the face. Select the appropriate face. And click OK. Next, let's go ahead and create a drawing document. Landscape B. The parenthetical A next to the view name indicates that it's an annotated view. Let's drag in the front view, drop it right here. Bottom, side, click OK. And as you see, the annotation that we created in DimXpert is now visible in our drawing document. Click OK. This concludes our tutorial about DimXpert Annotations.